Lily, can you go stand next to Curious George? Go get closer. Closer.
Give him a big hug.
Give him a big hug.
Sweet Lily. Great. Hey Lily, look up at me.
Lily, can you?
Lily, can you show me your smile teeth? Show mommy.
I don't know. It's like.
If you take a picture with him, and he'll jump with you.
Get closer to him.
Take a picture.
Closer.
Oh no! Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Look at me.
Lily, can you look at me?
Lily.
Lily, where's Dad?
Hey Lily.
That's Curious George's tongue. Lily. Sweetie, can you give George a hug and show him where mommy is?
Lily, look at me.
No, where's mommy?
Where's Lily? Can you look at mommy and daddy?
Thank you.
Lily, do you want to tell George about mommy's tummy?
Are you getting a new brother or sister?
That usually gets it away.
None.
No.
What is
She wants to crawl under his leg.
You gonna jump all the way? How do you? Curious George has been jumping with you a lot.
That's a lot of. He's very tired.
Oh, look.
Oh, you wore him out, Lily. Okay, look over here.
Lily, look over here.
Look over here. Smile. Oh, God, almost.
Honey, can you sit on George? Can you sit on George's lap? Can you sit on his knee?
He said his name?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Lily, turn around. No, turn around, honey. Turn around and go sit on his knee.
Honey, sit with George and shake at mommy.
Sit right there.
Right there.
Can you sit right there?